In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master capitalization in Google Vids. Diving into a world where your messages and documents look professional and polished is more straightforward than you might think, especially when you're navigating Google Vids. Whether you're drafting an important email, preparing a report, or just wanting your document to look its best, understanding how to manipulate the capitalization of your text is key, so let's jump right in. First things first, you need to make your way to Google Vids. To do this, simply type Google Vids into your search bar or enter the direct URL if you know it. Google Vids, as part of Google Workspace, offers a range of features designed to make your work easier and more efficient, and we're about to explore one of those handy features today. Once you've landed on the Google Vids page, you'll need to sign in. Look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to choose which Google account you wish to use. If you're already signed in with your preferred account, you can skip this step. However, if not, make sure you select the correct account or sign in using your credentials if prompted. Now that you're signed in and ready to go, let's move on to the good part. Open the document you want to work on. Once your document is open, look for the text that needs capitalization adjustments. Perhaps you've got a title that needs to stand out, or you want to ensure your headings are consistent throughout your document. Whatever your reason, highlighting the text is your next step. Simply click and drag your cursor over the text to select it. Once your text is highlighted, we're going to direct our attention to the toolbar. Specifically, you're looking for the Format option. It's here that Google Vids begins to reveal its powerful editing tools. After clicking on Format, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, your next move is to select Text. Under the Text option, you'll find a variety of ways to tweak your selected text, but we're on the hunt for capitalization. Clicking on this will open up the gateway to achieving the text style you desire. Google Vids provides you with several capitalization options, ensuring you have the flexibility to conform to different stylistic guidelines or personal preferences. Now, for the moment of truth. Within the capitalization submenu, you have a few choices. You can choose to make your text all uppercase, which is great for titles or headings. All lowercase if you're aiming for a uniform, minimalistic look, or capitalize each word, perfect for titles and headers where you want the first letter of each word to stand out. Consider your document's needs and select the option that best suits your text. After you've made your selection, watch as Google Vids instantly transforms your highlighted text. It's that easy, no need for retyping or manually adjusting each letter. This feature not only saves time, but also helps maintain consistency throughout your document, ensuring it looks professional and well thought out. Remember, mastering these small but impactful features in Google Vids can significantly enhance the quality of your documents. Plus, it reflects well on you, demonstrating attention to detail and a commitment to presenting your work in the best possible light. That wraps up our tutorial on using capitalization features in Google Vids. You now know how to swiftly adjust capitalization in your documents, making them not only look better but also more professional. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with these features in your next Google Vids project. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider exploring more tips and tricks to make the most out of Google Workspace. Stay productive and see you in the next video.